Hi there. Hollenshade's Auto Service is still open to serve the community during these unique and stressful times. We're thankful to be deemed an exempt business and grateful to be able to serve our community's vehicle maintenance and repair needs. As many of you watching this out there are aware, Hollenshade's has seen a lot in its 80 years here in Towson. These events include times of conflict, as well as changes in labor markets, as well as the economy. While the COVID-19 presents us a unique new set of challenges, like those before, this too will pass. Despite the importance of prolonged social distancing, soon enough, things in our community will start getting moving again. The reliable operation of our vehicles is necessary to fulfill needs such as shopping for food and supplies, as well as transportation for medical care. Until further notice, we have updated our weekday hours from 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. and Saturdays 7 a.m. until noon. At Hollenshade's, the health and safety of our customers, employees, and the broader community is a top priority. We have enhanced cleaning procedures at the shop and are educating our team on best practices. We hope you and your family remain healthy. Thank you for your continued trust in Hollenshade's to service your vehicle. If you believe your vehicle needs service or have a question, don't hesitate to contact us online or call. Thank you. We'll see you.